You take any text, you take any image. You can represent this text and image in the form of vectors, which are nothing but very long list of numbers, okay, float numbers. And when you have a normal data, let's say student database, then you can represent a student in the form of table, rows and columns, and you can put that data in a SQL database. But when we talk about these embeddings, like very long array list, then you cannot store them in an SQL. Yes, you can store them, but the application side of it then would not make any sense, because when you represent two vectors, let's say this is the vector for king and this is the vector for queen, then both of them will be very close to each other. So this is called cosine similarity, or we can also call it as vector proximity. Right, they are both nearer to each other. In this way, we can find which words are closer to other words, so that we can give recommendations, or in retrieval augmented generation, so that you can fetch the relevant chunks based on the user query. For storing these embeddings, you need vector databases, because these databases use specialized indexes like HNSW, unlike a normal SQL or NoSQL databases where they use B plus tree or hash. So in that case, if you want to find out which word is closer, then you have to find the distance between every row with all the other rows.